somebody's daddy gonna be hitting me up now.
I'm used to playing them corners, babe. Pull up on you in a moment, babe. Soon as you tell me you want it, babe. You hit my line and I'm on the way. Cause you want my money, no question, babe. You do that shit with no question, babe. You ain't your bag and you flashing, babe.
Hey OhSo fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to give you guys a show and tell as well as a review on this unit from Outre. It's from their Melted Hairline collection, and this is a lace front wig, and her name is Mindy. I have her in the color DR2 Ginger Brown. Right now I'm showing you guys the lace and how it does come pre-plucked. They did that. And the inside of the cap construction, it is a defined part, but you do get the frontal section. It's your traditional standard cap. It does have an elastic band, but baby girl, it does not make a difference. In my opinion, this wig is coming ear to ear on me, and my head circumference is about 21.5 to 22 inches. So if you have a larger head, you should still be able to work with this unit. I did use my Got To Be Instant High Hold Freeze Spray on this unit, which I love. I also used an elastic band to help melt his hair into my hairline, as well as I tinted the lace with my foundation off camera. Good thing this wig is heat friendly because you're going to need to apply heat to it. It's day 2, and me and Mindy, you know, we was fighting a little bit as far as with the lace blending. Looking in my mirror right now looks good. I'm gonna go outside and take some pictures for you guys so you guys can see how it looks in the natural sunlight as well. I did like 2 baby hair swoops on this side and my infamous sideburns, and then I did 1 swoop on this side and sideburns. You don't have to do that if you don't like that, but it definitely helps like camouflage the lace, especially on synthetic wigs. So this is just water. Ooh, she already looking so cute. I feel like this is a wig that definitely will get better with time. And you really will need to add heat to flatten it down at the top. Yesterday I wore it. I hope I got a clip or a picture for you guys. But I wore it like with a cute little clip pinned back. And I just fluffed it out. I didn't do what I'm doing right now. The curls on this wig is the type of curls that, like, okay, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Basically, you can finger them out and get a really full look. I love these kind of curls for this particular reason. Back in the day, one of my old videos, I had, I don't remember what hair it was, but I had a video showing you how you can manipulate the curls when you have a curl texture like this. And the texture is, it's like a light yaki texture. It's definitely not silky. She laid though, she laid. So you could, the bang, oh my gosh. So you could wear her fluffed out like this. And it's so cute. I thought that this wig was going to be one of those kind of wigs that was like kind of very, very grown. You know what I mean? Like, sophisticated it is. It's giving all the sophistication, but I thought it was gonna make me look older, basically, or whoever chose a wig like this. But honestly, it's the look that you wear with the hairstyle that kind of helps serve whatever kind of look you're trying to give. And today I'm trying to give youthful vibes, okay? And every day, period. But this definitely can be like some first lady hair with the right kind of like dress, or like a very business casual kind of top. So yeah, let me give you guys a 360 so you can see how it looks, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can manipulate these curls, baby girl. Yes, but yes, the length of this wig is about, I'm gonna say this is possibly 18 inches stretched. No, yeah, it's possibly about 18 inches stretched, but it's giving me like 14 to 16 inches curled, and I'm 5'2.5". I don't know how that back is looking. I hope she's looking good. Now this is the kind of texture that will tangle though, so definitely keep that in mind. I got this wig from Wig Types, and I purchased it with my own coins, and I believe it was $37, and I think it costs sure. I think it costs $2 extra to get this color, but I'm not for sure, because sometimes they charge to get it in like a specialty color, and sometimes they don't. Now, did you see that, sis? Let me do it again for you. Even though this wig will tangle, when you manipulate it like this, you won't get a lot of tangling. It's if you wear it fluffed out like this is where you will probably run into more snags and tangles. But when you have it just finessed in this manner, you're not going to be running your fingers through it like that, so you'll definitely get less tangles. So that's how it looks, giving you like very barrel curl kind of vibes. So I'm going to do the same thing over here so you guys can see how it will look. Do so much with this texture without having to do like over styling. I love synthetic wigs. I don't care how bougie I get in life, I'll always still rock a synthetic wig, especially since they upgrading them every day. So you can rock it like this. I kind of like this. Bang, flip back, and then push forward. But you can rock it like this. But what I'm going to do is still kind of fluff it out a little bit to separate the curls so it doesn't look so uniform. So let me know what you guys think about this wig. Once again, this is Outre's Melted Hairline Mindy, and I have it in the color DR2 Ginger Brown. That's how she's looking on stock card one more again. She is so gorgeous, and I love this color. It's giving me life, and I know it's gonna look so pretty outside in the sunlight. So I definitely want to know your thoughts down below. Go ahead and let me know if you guys tried this wig already. Would you rock this particular style, or do you feel like it's a little bit too grown womanish? Because I know I do have some younger ones on my channel, and I do have some like more mid-age women like myself who probably steer away from some units because they may feel like it makes them look more mature. I feel like this is one of those wigs that you can serve some Michelle Obama kind of vibes, but also you can style it in a way to make it look more playful and youthful. So yes, I definitely recommend this wig. I think she will look bomb in a blonde color, a red color, and you guys know if it was in a 1B or a 2, it will look so natural and gorgeous. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll find some links of a couple places where this wig is most affordably priced, and I'll link that down below in my description box. Go ahead and like this video, and I'll see you guys at my next one. Bye. Always gotta act. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Somebody's daddy gonna be hitting me up.